Among humanity's history of tales, one stands out, that of Agartha. Deep within the recesses of our planet, concealed from prying eyes, lies a hidden city that has tantalized minds for centuries. Its name evokes a sense of mystery, a promise of secrets waiting to be unravelled. From ancient myths to modern explorations, the allure of Agartha has sparked fervent curiosity, audacious voyages, and profound contemplation. But what is the truth behind this beguiling legend? Is Agartha a tangible reality? A city waiting to be discovered? The tapestry of Agartha's origins is as diverse as the cultures that have woven it. Hinduism, for instance, echoes Agartha in its concept of Shambhala, a legendary city believed to hold the keys to spiritual enlightenment and universal harmony. Similarly, Tibetan Buddhism introduces the notion of Agartha, a subterranean domain inhabited by enlightened beings who bridge the gap between the corporeal and the divine. These Eastern traditions bear witness to humanity's fascination with concealed realms, transcending the mundane and emphasizing the synergy between the material and the ethereal. In the Western realm of literary imagination, Agartha intertwined seamlessly with Jules Verne's monumental work, Journey to the Center of the Earth. Penned in 1864, this novel follows intrepid explorers as they delve into the Earth's depths, discovering hidden marvels that defy the ordinary. Verne's masterful narrative ignites not only a popular infatuation with subterranean domains, but also lays the foundation for ensuing quests and conjectures. At the heart of Agartha's legend is the notion of a concealed realm within the Earth, a concept that resonates with the Hollow Earth theory. The Hollow Earth theory suggests that Earth is not a solid sphere, but rather harbors vast, habitable cavities within its core. Proponents of Agartha have often drawn inspiration from the Hollow Earth theory, imagining a subterranean realm populated by advanced civilizations and possessing untold secrets. One notable figure intertwined with the exploration of the Earth's inner realms is John Cleves Sims, Jr., an American Army officer and lecturer. Sims championed the Hollow Earth theory. Sims fervently believed that openings at the Earth's poles led to these subterranean realms, as he advocated for government-funded expeditions to explore these mysterious passages. Sims's theories gained a dedicated following, and his lectures garnered attention, particularly during the early 19th century. While Sims's ideas had limited scientific basis and were met with skepticism from the scientific community, they contributed to the ongoing fascination with hidden worlds beneath our feet. Sims's efforts also highlighted the dynamic interplay between scientific inquiry, speculative thought, and the powerful individual conviction in shaping our understanding of the world. In 1829, a remarkable account emerged that lent a new layer of intrigue to the Agartha tale. Olaf Janssen, a Norwegian sailor, claimed to have embarked on a remarkable voyage to the Earth's interior. Janssen's account, chronicled in the book The Smoky God, details his alleged encounter with an advanced civilization residing within the Hollow Earth. According to Janssen, he and his father journeyed through an inhabited subterranean realm. Their journey commenced at the North Pole, where they purportedly entered a polar opening that granted them access to a hidden realm within the Earth. According to his account, Janssen and his father navigated through the subterranean realms, where they encountered a society characterized by both technological marvels and spiritual enlightenment. The inhabitants of this inner Earth, Janssen claimed, possessed knowledge that far exceeded that of the surface world, fostering a harmonious existence intertwined with both scientific prowess and profound spiritual insight. Janssen's depiction of the Hollow Earth civilization resonates with elements of the Agartha tale. Hidden realms containing secrets and wisdom beyond the grasp of ordinary mortals. Intriguingly, the Agartha tale is also intersected with the explorations of famed scientist and astronomer Edmund Halley. While Halley is best known for his work on comets and the eponymous Halley's Comet, his observations also extend into the enigmatic realm of the Earth's magnetism. Halley's insatiable thirst for knowledge led him to embark on a series of voyages across the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. During these maritime expeditions, Halley made a discovery that would ignite intrigue and speculation far beyond the realm of astronomy. he observed anomalous and erratic readings of compasses in a region known as the Atlantic Anomaly, a magnetic phenomenon that defied the conventional understanding of Earth's magnetism. The compass, an essential tool for navigation, had been guiding sailors and explorers for centuries. However, in the vicinity of the Atlantic Anomaly, compass needles displayed erratic behavior, deviating significantly from their expected orientation. Halley's meticulous observations documented these anomalies, sparking a conundrum that captivated the attention of scientific minds of the era. Halley's observations, while not directly linked to the Agartha tale, showcase the intertwined relationship between scientific inquiry and the allure of the unknown. Just as Agartha beckoned explorers to unearth hidden truths, Halley's compass anomalies compelled scientists to delve deeper into the Earth's magnetic field, illustrating how the pursuit of the mysteries often led to unexpected scientific discoveries. Nonetheless, the search for Agartha has enticed explorers, mystics, and adventurers alike. Helena Blavatsky, a prominent figure in the Theosophical Society, introduced Agartha to a broader Western audience. Blavatsky claimed that Agartha was inhabited by an advanced civilization and served as a center of spiritual enlightenment. Her writing sparked a wave of interest and exploration, with some enthusiasts embarked on journeys to far-flung regions in search of hidden entrances to Agartha. The Russian painter and explorer Nicholas Roerich was another notable figure drawn to the mystery of Agartha. In early 20th century, Roerich ventured to Central Asia and the Himalayas, driven by the belief that ancient civilizations and spiritual centers lay hidden beneath the Earth's surface. While these expeditions did not yield concrete evidence of Agartha's existence, they underscored the powerful allure of the unknown and the lengths to which individuals are willing to go in pursuit of it. One of the most intriguing chapters in the saga of Agartha's pursuit unfolds through the Antarctic expeditions led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd. In 1928 to 1930, and later in 1946-1947, Byrd undertook ambitious missions to the frozen continent, driven by scientific exploration and the quest for new horizons. During these expeditions, Byrd's findings and accounts added layers of mystery to the Agartha tale, sparking speculation about the existence of hidden passages, civilizations, and even advanced technologies beneath the Antarctic ice. Byrd's 1947 expedition, known as Operation High Jump, garnered particular attention due to its cryptic statements and unusual occurrences. He reported encountering aircraft with incredible speed and maneuverability, suggesting technology beyond the capabilities of known aircraft at the time. Byrd's remarks about the Antarctic's potential for harboring hidden lands and his references to the need for protecting the United States from potential threats only fueled further speculation about the existence of Agartha or similar enigmatic realms. During the mid-20th century, the Agartha tale also found an unexpected and unsettling association with Nazi Germany. The Nazi regime's interest in the esoteric was not merely a peripheral curiosity, it was intrinsically woven into their ideological tapestry. Hitler and his inner circle were drawn to hidden doctrines, seeking supernatural insights that could bolster their vision of an all-powerful, racially pure empire. This blending of political ambition with mysticism led to the incorporation of Agartha into the broader narrative of Nazi ideology. Some Nazi occultists believed that Agartha was a sanctuary for an ancient Aryan race, possessing advanced technologies and knowledge. According to this narrative, Aryans had once thrived on the Earth's surface, possessing advanced technologies, profound knowledge, and innate superiority. However, cataclysmic events had allegedly driven the Aryan race underground, seeking refuge and safeguarding their legacy within the hidden confines of Agartha. Such beliefs aligned with the Nazi quest for Aryan purity and superiority, forming a distorted synthesis of the tale, pseudoscience, and political ideology. Amidst these speculative shadows, another facet of the Agartha narrative emerges: the notion of portals to this concealed ground. These portals, believed to exist within specific locations across the globe, add an intriguing layer to an already captivating tale. These places, whether veiled by ancient mythologies or propelled by speculative theories, serve as potential gateways to Agartha. The majestic silhouette of Mount Shasta in California beckons as one such proposed portal. Enveloped in whispers of Lemurian legend and Agartha lore, this towering peak is said to harbor entrances to subterranean realms, offering a passage into the heart of Agartha's mysteries. Similarly, the Himalayas, a realm of awe-inspiring grandeur, have been interwoven with the Agartha narrative. Among these towering giants, Mount Kailash in Tibet emerges as a beacon of speculation, its craggy slopes believed by some to conceal an entrance to the enigmatic city. Venturing to the lush depths of Mato Grosso in Brazil unveils another layer of the Agartha mythos. Here, dense jungles and hidden cave systems are said to cradle gateways to Agartha, inviting the intrepid to traverse ancient passageways and encounter the unknown. Meanwhile, the city of Manaus, nestled within the Amazon rainforest, exudes an aura of mystery, with whispers of concealed passages leading to the heart of Agartha's depths. Journeying further eastward, the remote landscape of Mongolia unfurls before us, their vast expanses and rugged terrain concealing secrets beneath the surface. Within the annals of legends and myths, Mongolia has been intertwined with the concept of Agartha. Finally, a terrain of ice and snow, Antarctica emerges as a canvas for speculation. The polar regions, including the frozen southern continent, have held steadfast within the realms of Agartha's lore. The concept of polar openings as portals into the concealed city has sparked imaginations, with explorers and theorists alike pondering the possibility of venturing through these icy gateways to unearth the mysteries that lie beyond. Science, pseudoscience, and the very limits of knowledge. Beyond its surface interpretation, Agartha assumes profound symbolic dimensions that transcend geographical boundaries. The quest for Agartha resonates with humanity's eternal pursuit of enlightenment, self-discovery, and the unveiling of latent truths. Within this allegorical framework, Agartha shifts into a metaphorical representation of the inner pilgrimage, a profound dive into the depths of consciousness to unearth latent wisdom, attain spiritual enlightenment, and forge an indelible connection with the enigmatic mysteries of existence. The story of Agartha finds its place among a fascinating array of tales that delve into the mysteries of hidden worlds and ancient civilizations, resonating across the tapestry of human history. As cultures have evolved and intertwined, narratives of cataclysmic events and the preservation of knowledge have emerged as enduring motifs, offering insight into the shared human experience and our intrinsic need to grapple with the unknown. One of the most striking parallels to the Agartha narrative is the widespread occurrence of flood stories in cultures across the globe. These stories recount catastrophic deluges that reshape the world, often featuring a figure or group who escapes the cataclysm by building an ark or finding shelter. The biblical tale of Noah's Ark, a cornerstone of Judeo-Christian traditions, showcases humanity's survival through divine intervention. Similarly, the Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh recounts a great flood sent by the gods, and Utnapishtim, the story's protagonist, is granted immortality for his efforts in preserving life. While the specifics may vary, the global flood tales share a core theme, the cleansing and renewal of the world through water. Just as Agartha represents an uncharted realm beneath the Earth's surface, the flood stories reflect a fundamental human fascination with the transformation and rebirth of the world itself. These tales underscore humanity's collective awe in the face of natural forces and the indomitable spirit to persevere amid cataclysmic change. In parallel to Agartha's portrayal as a repository of hidden wisdom, numerous cultures have woven narratives around the preservation of knowledge during times of upheaval. Ancient civilizations recognize the value of safeguarding wisdom for future generations, even in the face of disaster. For instance, the ancient Mayans, known for their advanced astronomical knowledge, are believed to have encoded their wisdom into codices, folding intricate celestial maps into the pages. Though many codices were destroyed during the Spanish conquest, the few that survived offer glimpses into the Mayans' complex understanding of the cosmos. Likewise, the Library of Alexandria, a symbol of intellectual richness in the ancient world, is renowned for its collection of scrolls and manuscripts. While the library's destruction by fire remains a subject of historical debate, its legacy endures as a testament to the human impulse to preserve knowledge and cultural heritage. These stories echo Agartha's role as a repository of hidden truths, reflecting the timeless endeavor to shield valuable insights from the ravages of time and turmoil. Just as Agartha beckons seekers to unearth concealed wisdom, These narratives illuminate the enduring quest to pass on knowledge across generations, transcending the boundaries of time and place. The legend of Agartha, nestled within the very core of our planet, presents a multifaceted tapestry that weaves together ancient beliefs, scientific inquiry, and the innate human drive for exploration. Whether regarded as a tangible realm awaiting discovery or a metaphysical representation of our innermost quests, Agartha stands as a compelling reflection of humanity's insatiable thirst for wisdom, adventure, and enlightenment. Its allure transcends the boundaries of culture and time, resonating with those who dare to peer beyond the horizon of the known. And so, as we tread upon the precipice of the enigmatic, a question emerges. In our quest for discovery, are we bound solely by the realm of the tangible, or is there a space within the human experience for the unexplained, the unseen, and the metaphysical that could be, perhaps, the answer to all our questions?